So ito mga kababayan, binuksan po nila yung Starlink kit, no, na gagamitin po ng COMELEC sa eleksyon ngayong 2025 at para ipakita sa mga tao, sa publiko, saksi itong mga media at ilang mga polis na binuksan po ng COMELEC officer doon sa Surigao del Norte. Itong gagamitin nga po itong Starlink kit mga kababayan para sa pag-transmit ng mga boto, no, ng resulta ng eleksyon. So random po ito mga kababayan, no, na binuksan nila itong Starlink kit mga kababayan. So merong 53 yata ito na Starlink kit, no, sa Surigao del Norte, pero random lang po yung kanilang pagbukas or binuksan. Nung nakaraang mga araw ay nag-trending nga po yung balita doon sa Davao, no, yung isang truck or dalawang container truck yata yun yung naglalaman ng mga election paraphernalia, kabilang itong Starlink doon sa Davao na nag-trending kasi nakalagay daw doon sa private na residential, no, or private residence daw yata yun mga kababayan na nilagay. At nagpaliwanag naman po yung COMELEC na doon lang daw nilagay sa private residence, no, kasi wala daw po silang maupahang warehouse. Ayan, so diniin naman or binigyang diin naman ni COMELEC chairman na walang posibleng dayaan or wala pong mali na ginawa doon sa mga Starlink kit mga kababayan, no, na natagpuan doon sa Davao City. So panoorin natin at pakinggan natin yung explanation dito ng COMELEC officer dito po mga kababayan sa kailang pagbukas ng Starlink dito sa Surigao del Norte.
Like, one, two, you are taking this. Askan this, you are taking.
So, ma-invade na to. Yes. Anyway, solar panel. I think it will be the one to catch energy from the sun. The next one. So, ready? Oh, sir. Yeah, Ali. And in the presence of the public through the media, we were able to open 3 boxes. One from the municipality of Placer. This is chosen by this is Attorney Lamastida, and another one is Siring, chosen by the media, and another one is Deo, Malimuno. So we checked the contents, and we compared the contents to what is being provided in the list, and everything is found. So we would like to declare that the 3 boxes or everything is in order as far as the 3 boxes is concerned. So thank you very much. Magpadadyon kita sa itong preparasyon para sa malinawon, limpyo, o credible, of course, peaceful nga pinilian 2025 diri sa atong probinsya sa Surigao del Norte. Daghang salamat ug maayong hanggon sa atong tanan.
Sir, ano sa transport mga
We will be waiting for the official communication coming from Taiwan. But initially, last night, nagtawag sila na magsugod sila o install dito April 15. And we are still waiting, I think, 50 more Starlink boxes for Surigao del Norte. Mawala na sila itong original allocation, but we made an appeal to Main Office Manila that there will be additional allocation. Okay, we identified several other barangays which do not have signal. So for purposes of successful transmission of results, we wrote a letter to the Main Office Manila, and according to the provider, murang na-approve siya. So we are awaiting for the final arrival of the other Starlink allocations for Surigao del Norte.
So 53 plus 50?
53 plus we are expecting additional more, 50 or even more.
For the record, attorney, pila ka munisipyo andyan ang command ni Abot?
Ato pa i-check.
Okay.
Karon ka, pag mo di ma-check siya. So nanay Pilar, sa naay Socorro, and then po dito sa Siargao gani. Abot na dito sa Del Carmen. Ang katong sa Siargao allotment,
the boxes are presently stored at the office of the election officer of Del Carmen. So we're hoping that with the arrival of the Starlinks, no, issue na to sa transmission, ma-address na to para mas madali mahuman atong PDI. Mas paspas, mas dali kitang ma-deploy sa So I am happy now on the personal account. Pag-verify na to, check na to, everything is in order, everything is found, everything that checklist is there. So we are very much happy. This is a welcome development, and this is as we gear towards our preparations, at least sigurado na to na wala tayong problema sa REVA sa atong mga Starlink applications. Now, in the coming days, no, ang atong ballots, official ballots, accountable forms din siya. Very important. We cannot do elections without ballots. And of course, unang umabot na ito ang atong automated counting machines. So, be rest assured, members of the media, the political parties, no, aspirants na to, that we will inform you right away for as long as makuha na nato ang accurate data with respect to the arrival of the ballots and the automated counting machines. So, dagan kayo salamat.
Attorney, mo naman tuod na Joe may aning na proseso unlike before.
This is for purposes of transparency, no? Para maklaro lang din nato. Ma-ensure nato nga everything is in order. Public deserves to know. Ang guidance mo ni Chairman, no, is part and parcel requirement din nato at all times in every proceeding. Dapat aware ang publiko. Kay kabalota nga daghay mga bashing karon sa social media na posible gani kuno mahap ang atong resulta. So we make it sure every step of the way the public through your intercession matagaan sa correct information. I would like to take this opportunity to buttress an allegation of a lawyer, a fellow lawyer, by the way, nga ingon siya nga dali mahap ang resulta sa atong makina kay kuno nakakonekta sa internet while voting. That is a very big fat lie, no? Pregnant allegation din siya. Kanang grabe gina siya ka bakak na dako. Okay, starting 5 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock, walay internet connection na paghabuhaton nato. I-connect naman ang internet once voting is done. Naka-print na kita sa election results, nakakuha nag-copy ang atong political parties election results, meaning naa na ang mga boto sa kada kandidato matag presinto. And that will be the time that this Starlink will be connected to the internet so that the results as reflected in the election results of which political parties will have copy will now be transmitted to the canvassing system. Therefore, the allegations nga ingon nga pwede mahaki na connect sa internet while voting is ongoing, there is no truth to that. The COMELEC, in fact, we already instructed in accordance with the guidelines of the COMELEC, no internet connection while voting is ongoing. There is only internet connection after the printing of the results, the ERs during the closed voting, and only for the purpose of transmitting the results from precinct to the canvassing center. So hinaot, makasabot ang publiko ani, no? Ay delikado kung mutuo ang publiko ani. That will affect the stability of the country. Ang election is the bedrock of our democracy. So tabangin mi ninyo na pag-inform sa publiko for accurate and correct informations because elections is everyone's responsibility. As Filipinos, we should be channels of truth. So muna tinuod, walay internet connection while voting is ongoing.
Yun mga kababayan, napakinggan po natin yung explanation ng COMELEC officer, no, ng Surigao del Norte na hindi madadaya yung election mga kababayan at hindi po nila resulta or hindi mabago yung resulta ng mga boto mga kababayan at hindi daw po i-connect sa internet yung machine hanggat hindi po matapos, no, or during botohan gagamitin lang daw or i-connect lang daw sa internet kung magta-transmit na po sila ng mga boto mga kababayan. So ano pang opinion nyo mga kababayan dito sa ating video? Ayan, comment down below. Maraming salamat. God bless po sa ating lahat.